peanut butter jelly. What's the plan? Where are we going? Okay, I'll say the plan.
Oh, I'm dropped.
Going hiking with my girlfriend. Mwah. Going hiking. McAfee's knob. Off we go.
More of the wonders in this world of yours that I wish to be part of. Let this be the start of something we both adore. Know that this heart's not only mine anymore, it's yours.
So we're here, and then we're going all the way here. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Onwards. Let's go. Oh, McAfee knob this way. Look, cute little sign. And so it begins. I'm like trying to get good camera angles when not tripping. Ooh, fuck was that?
I'm scared. Wait.
What? I'm
scared.
It's a nice view. But this view's better. Wowee. Wait, look at that old car. Oh, I'm not gonna be able to get on the camera. It's so far away. A bug just landed in my hair. I felt it.
It's a ladybug.
Oh, that's cute. Okay, let's go. Yeah, be careful. That's the path, and this is the rock you're standing on. I'm like blindly following you. See, much easier. Are you okay? Ow! Did you just slap me because of a butterfly? I just got that abuse on camera. There's a little sneak peek view up here, I think. Let me see. Okay, this is the overlook. Little sneak peek. Go, go, go. Oh my. Wowee, what a view. So, at the Sustainability Center, where do we start? The park. This is how far we've gone.
Oh, wow.
We went from here to here, and we're going all the way to here. Fun! Every time. Okay. She's gonna hate me by the end of this.
I will.
Feeling great. Wind's making my hairline look like shit though. Maybe my hairline's just shit. Maybe I'm balding. Do you think I'm balding, Kihan? Would you still date me if I'm bald? What the hell? What's that supposed to mean? You call me bald? Almost. Silly baka. Almost there though. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Whoa. Should I do a call and response? Should I like, whoa, back? We're doing great. Right, Kihan? How we doing? How we doing? Doing great? What does it say? Ooh! Ooh! is so sweaty. Yucky. Stop. Is Tommy super into outdoors? I don't know. I hope not.
This is not worth it.
It's worth it. You don't mean that.
Guys, he's upset.
Back to it.
Sure.
Jayo, Jayo. Another break. A little winded, a little tired, but we prevail. Jayo, Jayo. She's happily texting her friends how much she loves her newfound hobby of hiking. Right? You're texting them, boy, as a New Yorker, I love hiking. I want to do this everywhere I can. Oh, we're coming up on a new biome. Hello.
How you doing?
Good, you?
Hanging in there.
That's all you can do. More like nightmare. The best view of all. Go to the secret rock. Oh, fuck me. I almost tripped on a root. Ooh, okay. Too many bugs. Oh, we're coming up on it.
How do we go down the same way?
Yeah. Oh, she's texting her friends again about how much she's having fun and how much joy she's experiencing on her getaway to Virginia with Big T. Day 462 on the Appalachian Trail. Our food's running low, our water's running low. We ain't got much left for us. Oh, I think we have to camp under this rock up ahead for shelter tonight. No, it's not. I lied. I think we're close though. Oh, yeah. It goes on for so long. It goes on for so long. Come on. Push, Tommy, push. Go, go. Oh, she's so pretty. Even though she's exhausted and upset.
What?
Nothing. Look, between us and the ledge, there's like 3 trees, which means we're probably almost there. Probably, I think, almost, maybe, possibly, perchance. Come on, come on. Last push, last push. Fuck, more push. Oh, come on. I see the sign. I see the sign, which means we're there. Come on. You do not care. You'll care once you see it. I don't get how people do like the entire Appalachian Trail, walking for weeks. Parking lot. 3.9 miles parking lot. We did it. Come on. I'm gonna go on the ledge. We did it! Do you want any pictures? I got some really good pictures for you. I still have the best view. Can you get some for me?
And the best view is still right here.
We have to do it all again. But we reap our rewards. The rock kind of hurts my butt to sit on it. So much fun. So much fun. The only thing that would make this view better is imagine the sun setting over there. But then we'd have to walk home in the dark. We probably only have like 2 hours left of light. Time to go down. Whee! Now my toe's starting to hurt. I'm gonna just resume when we're in the parking lot because it is way too hard to go downhill with the camera in my hand. On the road again. I can't wait to be on the road again. Oh shit, more deer. You're good, it's deer. They're friendly. Unless they have kids, then they'll fight. Boo! All my hair looks chopped, don't look at me. I think they're just frolicking in the fields. Oh, to be a deer that just frolics. Oh dear. Hey buddy.
Are you sure they're friendly?
Yeah. Hey dear. Hey buddy. How you doing? Okay, well. Usually they run off by now. See, he's walking away. We're good. He's friendly. He'll make a noise if he's angry. They make like a noise. See? Off he goes. And he just chills over there. They're very docile. The only time they get like aggressive is if they have kids. Okay. Sun is setting and we may still be 40 minutes out. But we're on the easy route. Kihan's very happy with me. And she likes me very much. Right, Kihan? Yeah, see? Adventure! We're on a great adventure! She's really picking up the pace. I think it's because she's so happy to be on an adventure at night. Okay, keep on going! Woohoo! Okay. Last bits of daylight. Almost there. Think about, in the 10 minutes we've been walking, we've walked over 20 minutes worth of time. So, I mean, there's basically nothing left. Which means if we get to 10 minutes, it'll only be 5 minutes of walking. Okay, back in the pocket. Almost home. Almost home, there's the road, see? I don't even think it's showing up on the camera. It's like pitch black in this thing. I would need to set to the low exposure setting. And I'm not doing all that. But the road's ahead. Look, car. Freedom, Kihan, freedom. Okay, back home, showered, changed in different clothes. I think I'm done recording for today. I'm very tired. Kihan's very tired. We're very hungry. We're gonna go to IHOP, get some food, and do some grocery shopping for baking cookies tomorrow. Oh my god, my hair is chopped. But baking cookies tomorrow. So, I'll see you then. Cookie bacon.
at the butter.
So cute. Kawaii. Butter. Is it bubbling? I see movement.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, fuck, I didn't get any of that on camera because I was so scared of being hit. Oh, it smells so good. I can't even lie. We got the egg yolk with the vanilla extract. Mixture's cooling. Egg whites that we're gonna make 1/8 of an omelet with. Everything's mixed in. Saran wrap and refrigerate time. Ooh, let's see. God damn! That's gonna be a giga cookie. You're adding more? That's gonna be a giga cookie.
That's how I do it.
Jesus.
Really?
That's gonna be giant. No, that's fine. It just, as long as you know what you're signing up for.
Okay. We can have one of those. Okay.
No, make a couple like that. Fuck it.
Yeah.
Cookie. Okay, cookies are made. Mwah. Cookies have been made. Now it's time to send her home. Say goodbye to Kihan.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye. Whoop. Get ready with me to ask her to be my girlfriend. So, first things first, doing the hair. Forgot to record this, so this is me pretending to do my hair, as goofy as it is. Pretending to brush my teeth. Put on some jewelry, because, you know, I had to look my absolute best for such a beautiful girl, and I want this to go well. Next thing I had to do was go pick up some flowers. Couldn't be too big, unfortunately, because she did have to take it back home with her. And of course, had to write a handwritten note. You don't get to see what's inside though. And I set everything up so that when we walked in, it was the first thing she saw. You know, just got 360. I got her white and some pastels and pinks because that's her favorite color. And now it's time to drive. Her train arrived and I quickly ran over to go greet her. And then what came next? Well,
Oh, I'm crying.
can I take it as a yes then?
Sure, whatever.
Sure, whatever. No one can hear you scream. No one can hear you scream. I'm in front now.